Hello everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And today we are opening another one of our 12 days of Stitchmas. Getting close to the end. So normally right now I would start up a cup of tea for us to taste. They're all gone. So what I will do is tell you that the pumpkin spice tea, it was good. It was okay, but it never got really strong. It did not get a real strong tea flavor. So I'm having a second bag of it today because I remember I told you the other day I always do my tea bags twice. And I did enjoy it, but it was a very faint taste. It's just not a very strong. It tastes good though. Okay, 12 days of Stitchmas from Bothy Threads. Let's see what we've got. Day 10. Day 10. We only have a few left. Easy enough to find. Day 10. If I were to guess, I would say we've got more instructions. More instructions. Yep, that's exactly what we have. So I have to tell you, a couple days ago we opened the one that had the French hens, what is it, 3 French hens, and somebody had commented, because I was talking about the colors on her comb, and somebody had commented, oh, they're like the French flag, and that never occurred to me, but that's exactly what it was. It's the colors of the French flag. I thought that was so clever, and I would have put the thing together and stitched it. That just never would have crossed my mind. Okay, so today we have numbers 10 and 11. Well, we have the pipers piping this time. They're actually piping. And this was Lords of Leaping, 10 Lords of Leaping. And that's going to go on section 5, so down at the bottom. And here's our little cross stitch part. Shows us the cross stitch. I was just sitting here trying to remember if we had received thread on this, but that first day we got the whole big thing of thread. So it is ready to go. Ready to go. All right, that is day 10. We have 2 more left. Can you believe that? 2 more left, and then whoops, and then we're all done opening the Advents. And this, of course, is the 12 days of Christmas. So we are following the official 12 days of Christmas process. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I really am. The items, and I was a little concerned, opening 2 different Advents of the same type, that we'd end up with a lot of the same thing, but it hasn't at all. They've gotten very, very different items in there. So that's been a lot of fun. A little bit more tea. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, that's it for today. We'll be right back here tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Please like, please subscribe. And if you wouldn't mind, pop this over to somebody you think might enjoy it. We'll see you later. Thanks so very much. Bye-bye.